Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair store in Holland, Michigan. Today I'm making this video because I get a lot of phone call from customers if ceramic glass on iPhone X from iPhone 8 Plus to iPhone 13 can be replaced. In this case, I say no. The ceramic glass is kind of a tough glass, but if it's hit many times or is fallen many times or a car runs over, unfortunately they're break. They're very strong glass, but if it, like I said, if it's damaged, it's damaged. So in this case, the reason I'm making the video is because a lot of customers say, well, the glass itself is only $6 or $10 or whatever they're fine on eBay. And what they're fine is this ceramic only with probably the lenses, but it's not the original and it's actually unreplaceable. A lot of videos on YouTube where people show that they can do it. There might and there possibly can, but it takes time, it takes hours, and it takes probably several of them before you get to the first one to replace. In this case, I do always recommend to replace the chassis because in the back of the phone, I mean inside the phone, it's an antenna. So if the glass gets very or severely damaged, it would collapse the antenna and it would be a major problem. Also, if you do have the phone in this condition or even just hairline crack or cracks in general, I'd say don't leave it for long because water and moisture can get in there and it would actually damage your main board or other parts of the phone. After iPhone 7 Plus, this is the 7 Plus, kind of a strong metallic or hard plastic, whatever it is. This was a great option because they can bend and you can bring them back and it's easier. But once they came up with the luxurious ceramic glass, everything changed. I mean, it's luxurious because it looks good, but the damage can cost you a lot of money. So my video purpose are simply to instruct how to avoid to spend extra money or wasting money by buying some of whatever they recommend other people on YouTube. But again, I personally would never do a replacement of the glass only. I would replace the chassis. And if you see those videos on YouTube, just don't believe all of it because I don't think they're all are doing it. So to be even more secure, get a good case, strong case to cover your phone because it doesn't matter if it's the back or the front. You want to waste less money and avoid to do like repairs unnecessary. Again, like I said in my videos, I simply do videos to help people to save money, and I don't sell anything. It's just more simply to give you an idea of what it can take to repair something. If you like my videos, subscribe on my channel, comment below. Time to time we put videos instructive and helping you out there. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.